Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Indo-Russia summit. Our strategic ties continue to grow stronger, says PM Modi meet with Putin. Prime Minister Narendra Modi made Russian President Vladimir Putin meet. At Hyderabad House in New Delhi as the two leaders held the 21st Indo-Russian summit on Monday. In his opening remarks, PM Modi said that there has been no change in ties between the two nations even during the COVID-19 pandemic. He added that the special and privileged strategic partnership between the two sides has getting stronger and both sides remained in touch on the situation in Afghanistan and other issues. Our two countries have faced many challenges in recent past. We have not only cooperated but also kept each other sensitive in mind, PM Modi said. The Prime Minister further added in the last few decades the world witnessed many fundamental changes and different kinds of geopolitical equations emerged, but the friendship of the India and Russia remained constant. The relation between India and Russia is truly in a unique reliable model of interstate friendship, PM Modi said at the meeting. Meanwhile, Vladimir Putin, who arrived in Delhi for the highly anticipated meeting with the PM Modi, said we perceive India as a great power, a friendly nation and a time-tested friend. The relations between our nations are growing and I am looking into the future. Currently, mutual investment says stand at about 38 million with a bit more investment coming from the Russia side. We cooperate greatly in military and technique sphere like no other countries. We develop high technologies together as well as produce in India, the Russian president added. Omicron in India live updates. Over 100 foreign returnees in Maharashtra go untraceable. The tally of Omicron variant cases in India rose to 23 after two more positive cases of the new coronavirus variant were detected in Mumbai. Meanwhile, at least 109 out of 295 recent foreign returnees to Thane district in Maharashtra have gone untraceable. On the global front, British Health Secretary Sajid Javid has admitted that community transmission of Omicron variant is happening in multiple regions of England. Stay tuned for latest updates on Omicron variant. One of 67 inmates of an old age home admitted on the Thane Civil Hospital after 62 of them tested positive for coronavirus died on Monday. An official says 66 others were discharged. The 71-year-old who died of COVID-19 disease and comorbidities, civil surgeon Dr. Kailash Pawar said 62 inmates of Matosri Old Age Home located in Sorgaon village in Vivandi Tehsil of the Thane district had tested positive for coronavirus while 5 others were suspected cases. All the 67 were admitted to the civil hospital for treatment in the last week of November, of whom 66 were discharged on Monday, he added. The Omicron, the variant of coronavirus, is said to be the more infectious than others, including the feared Delta strain. Unusual patterns of mutation appear to be accountable for the speed of the spread of this new variant. Scientists warn that high mutation may lead to reinfection and breakthrough infections. The variant could spark explosive increases in COVID cases in other countries as well, early data shows. Katrina Kaif, Vicky Kaushal wedding live update. Pre-wedding functions start today. Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal are set to tie the knot on December 9. The couple and their families have reached Hotel 6 Senses Barwara 4 Kings Hawaii Modhpur, Rajasthan, where the wedding and pre-wedding functions will take place. The pre-wedding festivities start from December 7. The couple will reportedly groove to the song Kala Chashma at their Sangeet ceremony. Vicky and Katrina wedding guest list include celebrities Karan Johar, Farah Khan, Alia Abbas Jahar, Kabir Khan, and Mini Mathur, and Rohit Shetty, among others. Ekta Tiger director Kabir Khan, wife Mini Mathur, and their two kids were clicked at the Mumbai airport this morning. They are on their way to attend Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal wedding. Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif will dance to the song Kala Chashma from 2016 film Bar Bar Dekho at their Sangeet ceremony. The couple will also dance to Nach Dene Sari from the same film. The song originally featured Katrina Kaif along with Siddharth Malhotra. The director of Bar Bar Dekho, Nitya Mehra, will also be present at the wedding.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.